This is the mighty tallowood, a very famous Australian tree, and we have the tallowood bush band, which are very fantastic. This tree I have seen koalas in, mother and baby, climbing up and down the trunk, and it is one mighty tree. The eucalyptus being the dominant species in Australia, and the reason that they have been dominant is because they drop their foliage, which has eucalyptus oil, down and only allowing further eucalyptus to grow. So by dropping their leaves, they actually proclaim the area around them, which then enables them to reproduce quite easily. Most plants have this, but eucalyptus do have a high volatile oil content, which is famous for killing bacteria, so it's very good for cuts and abrasions and any type of infection at different quantities, so watered down often. Anyhow, this beautiful tallowood, which usually has never had a threat and would naturally live here for a very long time, is under threat. And it's something that I've noticed when I've been in the bush, is that you can see at the foot here, there's the Camphour growing. Now there's also some vine there, but the Camphour is right at the foot, at the trunk here. Now this is not a natural occurrence, and because the Camphour actually can produce eucalyptus oil from its chemical composition, it can also produce 2 or 3 other essential oils or other types of chemicals as well. So the Camphour is actually very invasive, and it's right around the trunk of this tallowood. Now I've seen them before as little babies, and then I noticed this as well. So it's very resilient to the mighty eucalyptus's form of propagation and reproduction. So it's invading, and because it's probably sucking the life out of the eucalyptus, because it loves the eucalyptus chemicals, unlike other plants that cannot tolerate it. Now the danger is that if these succeed, if these Camphour succeed our eucalyptus, which they're slowly doing but nobody is aware of, the koalas and a lot of other native animals may not be able to adapt at all to this highly volatile Camphour tree. So that's the threat that we face, and no one's aware of it. And it actually, because of its ability to spread seed so fast and the way it grabs on and takes a hold, it really is much more of a threat than people realize. And also because land's been cleared a lot too, so it's able to get into places that it naturally wouldn't have been able to spread to before.